What if there was a way to close lost leads on automation? Sounds too good to be true. Well, in this video, I'll tell you how you can do it with one simple automation technique. Let's start. You're lost in the idea of constantly generating new leads to boost your sales numbers. You're even spending thousands of rupees on ads. But what about the leads that you've lost who were interested in buying your product but were not ready to buy it? Or leads who had budget issues? Or leads who were interested in your product or service but your sales team couldn't connect with them on time? Lost leads is a goldmine of opportunity that very few people are able to target effectively. These were once relevant people who were interested in your product offering, and now you have no idea what their current status is. Maybe they are still in need of the product you're offering or the problem you're solving. And there is only one way to find out. You need to contact these leads again. Get in contact with your lost leads, but don't ask your sales reps to call them. First, because they're busy calling new leads. Asking them to focus on lost leads again would be a waste of their time. Second, calling lost leads might frustrate them because your sales reps just called them a while back and now they are being called again for the same product. So, how do you do it without involving your sales team? You might have seen a lot of cart reminders that you get on WhatsApp whenever you add something in the cart but do not buy that product or service. So big brands like Amazon and Myntra run these drip marketing campaigns and send WhatsApp messages to remind you that there is a product in your cart that you should be buying. And all these messages are sent to hundreds of people at once on automation. So if you buy that product or service, it just results in additional revenue for that business with little to no effort and no sales rep involvement. This is exactly what you can do with your lost leads as well. All you have to do is filter out a set of lost leads that you think can be reheated. Then create separate messages based on lost reasons so that the message that you send to them is more personalized. For example, for people who did not purchase your product because of budget issues, you can send them a message offering discounts. And for people who are interested in your product or service but still did not buy, you can send them a series of messages that describe the value proposition of your product to them. The best part about drip marketing campaigns is that it's not just one message, it's a sequence. You can send these messages at regular intervals automatically to target multiple pain points that your user might have. So in one message you talk about pricing, in the next message you tell about the product's features, and in the next you establish credibility by sending customer testimonials, and so on and so forth. So even if they don't interact with the first message, they might interact with the next. Here, how you formulate these messages becomes equally important. If you fulfill their needs and hit their pain points with your messages, your lost leads will likely interact with you again. So the message has to be short, personalized, and relatable for your target audience. Another amazing advantage of these drip marketing campaigns is that the messages come with buttons. So if your lost leads are still interested in your product, all they have to do is click on Contact Sales Team, see pricing, see product brief, or even buy product. So the moment someone shows any interest, your sales rep can immediately hop on a call and close that deal. And if someone is not interested, all they have to do is click on Stop Promotions and they'll stop receiving further updates. Targeting lost leads is just one drip marketing use case. You can even use these message sequences to target relevant, interested, or cold leads and even upsell or cross-sell your product or services. The possibilities here are limitless. If you nail the message, you will generate better results and more sales. You will have to use sales automation tools like telecrm, Zoho, Begin, Salesforce, and then integrate them with WhatsApp's official API. The CRM will help you manage all your leads in one place, and the WhatsApp's official API will help you target them with drip marketing. So if you want to set this up in your business but don't know where to start, all you have to do is click the link in the description and connect with our sales team. Or if you would like to explore how you can automate every part of your sales process with a CRM, you can visit our playlist on sales automation and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye.